Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing with the Gold. We're really excited to show you some of the progress on our potato towers from some of our previous episodes. Got these all layered up with planting mix, worm castings, and straw, planted in layers. You can check back to our previous video and see how we did this, but we're starting to get some great growth. We're getting lateral penetration, things coming out from the sides. They're coming up here on the top. This one's doing better than some of the other varieties, but all of them are starting to get going. You can see over here, we got some small laterals starting to pop out. Up on top, things are going real well. We're getting some great growth. If you want to take a look closer inside here, you can see where it's starting to pop up. These are going to be booming in a couple weeks, and we'll give you another update along the way. But we're giving these the best we can, getting nice and soaked, keeping them well watered but not saturated, so we don't want to rot out the potato starch that we got going. But so far, I think we're looking at a success. We'll see at the end of the season. Check in along the way and we'll show you how we're getting the gold standard in gardening. In a minute, we'll check in on our other potatoes in the roll-up style method in our fabric pots. We're going to get those topped off, ready to go for the next phase of growth to get those plants even bigger. So here we are at these roll-up style potatoes, right? The cool thing about this is you start them in the pots. You can see we've got them folded down, and you can watch us planting in an earlier video. But we got it rolled down. We filled them just about halfway full. Now we're going to go through and top these off, fill them up towards the top of the plants, let these plants get taller, roll up the sides, and do it again. And the beauty of this process is it allows those roots to come up. It allows the stems to develop further roots once they're buried, and we get potatoes penetrating the entire depth of the pot. So the goal here is to get as many potatoes as we can out of this small footprint. We got a couple different varieties. We got this one topped off over here. We're going to get this topped and move on through the rest of them, and we'll check in with you later in the season, show you how it's going, get these rolled up and topped all the way out. Thanks for checking in and joining us on another Growing with the Gold to see how Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening.